Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema. So guys, in this video I will tell you some mistake what we will do. So today's topic is don't do this mistake while learning English. Okay, so guys, first mistake what we will do, waiting for perfect English. We think that I will speak in English when I will be perfect. So guys, if you don't speak, then you can't be perfect, because if you speak and you practice, then you will be perfect guys. So don't wait perfect English, you start from today, don't wait for tomorrow. Okay, so next is being afraid of making mistake. People think that when I will speak English I can make mistake, then how can I start, I can make mistake, people laugh at me if I will make mistake. Then don't think about people. If you want to be good speaker, fluent speaker, then start. Don't think about anyone. Okay, so you have to start from today. If you will wait for tomorrow, then tomorrow never will come guys. So you decide and start from today. Okay, so and next mistake is watching only video. Some people only watch video. They watch 1 hour or 2 hour video, but they don't practice. Okay, so yes, it's okay you are watching video, but you have to practice also. Don't watch only, practice also. Okay, so next is memorizing 100 word. People memorize, people learn 100 word, 1000 word, but they don't they never use that word in speaking. Yes, you are when you are learning, you have to use also, not only for memorizing. Okay, so you have to start speaking using that word in your sentences, in your speaking. And next is thinking in Hindi. If you want to speak English, then you have to think in English, not Hindi. Yes, I know in starting it can be difficult, but you try to think in Hindi, na? Sorry, in English, na? In starting, if you are not able to think hard sentences, you try to think simple sentences, like my name is this, my name is that, I'm cooking food, I'm making tea. You can try like these sentences. Okay, and next is ignoring pronunciation. You have to focus your pronunciation also guys. You have to focus what you are speaking. You have to notice that mistake, your pronunciation is good or bad. If there is mistake, then improve that mistake. Don't ignore. Okay, and next is not speaking daily. Some people want to speak English, but they don't speak daily. They don't practice daily. You have to practice daily. Okay, if you suppose that you are practice for only 1 or 2 days, speak only 1 or 2 days, after that when you give up, then you cannot be fluent speaker. Okay, and next is giving up too early. Some people want to speak English and they start speaking, but sometimes they give up too early. You have to be continue, don't give up. Okay, so I think it will be helpful for you. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.